Alright, so we have here is a Maytag. Is it Maytag? What design?
Yes.
This Maytag dishwasher that is not allowing touchpad controls. What was discovered is that that is affecting touchpad control. And so what was selected, normal, auto clean, rinse, sanitize, steam sanitize, and delay hour pre-programmed selections. I don't think this offers a program selection. And so the specifications of this design: self-sensing technology. Let's do a quick wash and see if it will. Respond to a quick wash. And it does not. So still appears to be on a pre-programmed selection. Normal is not lighting. All lights on auto clean, which is a pre-program. I don't see that this has a pre-programmed selection. Quick touch. Any type of quick touch selections. Do an inspection on touchpad control. Looking at that membrane, it seems to be a very basic design membrane. Connector. And this is the part that would be replaced, this entire unit. Now, what I did not ask him if the wiring harness comes. All right. Yes, after further investigating, found that the membrane is damaged due to thermal runaway of heat, water, moisture, and so contacts are compromised. So this comes as a complete assembly. Can't order just the membrane by itself. You have to order the entire housing. So let's get that on order and one installed and test it, and we'll test good. Installing touchpad control. New control board. Membrane inspection. Membrane looks good. That is what it should look like compared to the bad one. Electronic connectors installed. Door latch secure. Quick wrench selections. Cancel. Front only. Control board. Do not consider control board. Maytag dishwasher. Parts installed. Discovered cause and effect. Control touchpad membrane was damaged in addition to the main control board. The main control board contacts internally relay controls. The integrated control chips of controlling the programming functions has failed. So thus, repair of both components would not be practical at this time for replacing the touchpad control and the main control board. Would not be practical in repair. It would make a very good do-it-yourself project, but not in terms of a industry price repair. The industry price repair on a repair such as this would exceed $475, as much as perhaps with two component failure up to $525. So you can buy a new dishwasher for that amount.